Dear students of English literature, today in this lecture 14 English version lecture, students, our topic is Act 4, Scene 2nd from the play The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. Students, this is M. Rahman and you are attending ORAC classes of English language. Please to continue your this study, subscribe our channel ORAC classes of English language. Please share, like and comment to us. Students, before we try to study Act 4 Scene 2nd, let's come to know about a little part connected to this Act 4 Scene 2nd. In Act 4 Scene 1st, when Shylock was defeated by Portia and Shylock accepted every condition. Now, Portia, in the guise of a lawyer, and Nerissa, in the guise of her clerk, demands rings in form of fees. But now Bassanio gets confused and isn't ready to give his ring. So, without taking the ring, I mean the fees, they left the Duke's palace. They left the court. Now, students, uh, uh, Antonio Antonio says to Bassanio, because they were obliged that because of the lawyer, the life of Antonio was saved, and or Antonio was very much obliged to them. Antonio says, "My lord Bassanio, let him have the ring. Let this great service and you love for me combine to influence you more than your wife's command." Here you can understand, students, that at this time the obligation to the lawyer was more powerful than the love of Bassanio to his wife personally. Bassanio also accepts this suggestion of Antonio. Bassanio says, orders to Gratiano, "Go, run and overtake him, give him the ring, and try to persuade him to come with Antonio and reach there. Make haste and come. You and I will go to your house presently, and early tomorrow morning we shall both travel swiftly to Belmont." And he orders Gratiano to give this ring to him. Gratiano leaves and tries to search. Now begins the scene 2nd, Act 4. Students, the place of this scene 2nd is Street of Venice, and characters are Portia, Nerissa and Gratiano, because Bassanio is with Antonio there. Now Gratiano is searching in the streets for these two characters. They are the lawyer, who is in itself Portia, who is Portia, and the lawyer who is Nerissa in the guise of a lawyer's clerk. Students, now the scene opens when Portia says and commands Nerissa, "Find out where the Jew's house is, give him this document and get him to sign it. We shall leave here tonight and be home a day before our husbands. This document will be welcome as a present to Lorenzo." Students, I mean to say, Portia says to find the house of Bassanio. Portia says to find the house of Shylock, because the documents were get to be signed by Shylock, because he left the court saying that he was not well and he would sign every paper later. So Portia is trying to find out the house of Shylock, and she wants to get those paper signed by Shylock. At the same time enters Gratiano. Gratiano says, "Dear sir, I am fortunate to have overtaken you. I am very fortunate to have found you out. On the second thought, my lord Bassanio has sent you this ring and invites you to dine with him. He offers you an invitation to be with them on the feast." Now Portia says, "I can't come to dinner. I accept this ring with grateful thanks. But please tell him this for me. Will you also point out the youth where old Shylock's house is?" Means Portia asked Gratiano the address of Shylock. Gratiano gives that address. And now Nerissa thought of some fun, and she says something in the ear of Portia and says that I would like also to demand the ring from Gratiano. Portia agrees to it, and Nerissa also demands the ring from Gratiano. Now it is the turn of Gratiano to get confused what to respond her. But because of her gratitude, because he was very much obliged, because they have saved the life of his friend Antonio, so he also gave the ring. Students, after giving the ring, he returned from there, and Portia says that I am sure you will be able to do so, and then we'll be busy there in making fun with them, because students, they are not serious, they are in very funny mood, but actually it is a very serious concern for Bassanio and Gratiano, because they have lost their rings. Now students, they left and the scene comes to an end, and now we'll see you again in Act 5. So keep on watching Oracy Classes of English Language, and please subscribe our channel. The concerned assignments are on our Insta, and you can see the address in description box. Thanks.